What's going on, YouTube? I don't really get on camera too often, but broke 200 subscribers last week. Just want to appreciate everybody that's been tapping in, you know, watching the videos and whatnot. You know, I really appreciate it. And you know, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, share. Appreciate everything, you feel me? But today, my boys finally got his Cutlass out. Just bolted up his billets and finna go check it out in person for the first time. Thought I'd let y'all tune in. Let's get it. Enjoy. We got the daily out here today. This is what we came to look at. Yes, sir.
Crazy in a parking lot doing burnouts, donuts, and he hit somebody's car.
Look.
Destroyed his whole car.
I know, he was hurt after that. Oh, yeah.
But I guess he's building another one now. But he's doing it as a
Too. Like right on the rear is just barely enough to catch that